Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on addition and subtraction of mixed numbers worksheets. We can also call them mixed fractions worksheets, one or the other. Solve each of the following and simplify where possible. So this is an example where we have two slides to give us some worksheets to practice doing these type of sums. Now, if you can't remember the process or the steps involved, at the end of this particular video, there is a link. Just click on the link and it will take you to the lesson, and the lesson will explain exactly how each of these sums are done. Now, if we remember, there are 4 steps involved. The first one was we add the two whole numbers together for this particular example. Then we add the fractions together, then we get the final answer, and then we do a simplification if possible. So sometimes we can simplify the answer, maybe in the form of a mixed fraction or any other way, a simplest form if you like. So you have to do that. Just check if it can be written in a simplest form and you do it. Let's go down to number 8 quickly. We have 3 terms here. The same principles apply. Add the 2, 3 and 1 together. Add the 1 over 6, the 2 over 5 and the 1 over 3 together. Now remember, to do that, remember the concept or the idea of the lowest common multiple. We have to find the same denominator for each of these fractions. And it will be the lowest number that 6, 5 and 3 will divide into. That will be our common denominator, and that's the secret. And we've done that before, but we've got the link at the end of this video. That'll take you to the lesson if you need to do so. Now down here we have 8 very interesting examples where I've mixed up some subtraction signs. Let's quickly jump to this one, for example. That one's the most challenging. We just take our time here, and what I'd suggest, as we did in the lesson, break it up into 8 separate parts. 9 minus 4 minus 3 plus 1. So that's the whole number section. Then we have 4/5 minus a third minus a quarter plus a half. So there you are, 8 separate parts. So then you simplify the whole numbers and then you add the fractions together. So for these fractions, what do we have? 5, 3, 4 and 2. In order to do those, we're finding the lowest common multiple of those 4 numbers, and that will be our common denominator. And this one is also very similar. So we have 3, 4, 5 and 6. That's the fraction part. Remember, find the lowest common multiple, and that will help you to find the common denominator. Now the procedures are completely and utterly explained in that lesson, which is on the next slide if you're having any trouble. So this video has given us a few slides where we can practice adding and subtracting mixed numbers together. And there are 4 steps involved. Very quickly, add or subtract the whole numbers, add or subtract the fractions, arrive at the final answer, and do simplification where possible. And finally, if you're lost or you're not sure, I'll go to the next slide now, and that will give you a link which will take you to the lesson.